Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Tiffany with homesofdaytonabeach.com. Today we're going to be taking you on a walkthrough tour of 609 Renner Road, a new listing with Gaff Realty Company. Come with us as we take a look inside, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Check out the description below where you will find links to more information about this property, or you can visit us on the web at www.homesofdaytonabeach.com. So the first thing that you're going to notice when you come up to the front door of the property are these nice double doors. They also have a very nice covered front patio, which is not something that's super typical here in Florida, but it's really nice that they have that here for you. Let's take a look inside. So when you enter, you're going to first notice to your right that there is a formal dining room here. Another feature about this house that I really like is the high ceilings that are in here. It makes it feel so much bigger, and there are tons of windows. It makes it really light in here, a lot of natural light. As you move on, you're going to see the big living room area where you can absolutely fit your couch. There's a huge wall for your TV. And you'll just be able to have a really fun time entertaining in this space. So as we continue, you are going to have a little breakfast nook here and a breakfast bar. And then to the right will be your kitchen. You see stainless steel appliances, really nice cabinets that go up very tall. You're going to have a nice sized pantry here as well. And then through here, you're going to find your laundry room. The washer and dryer do come with the house, and it is also plumbed for a sink, and you have plenty of cabinet and storage space in here as well. Out here, you're going to find your two-car garage, and where you're going to find your hot water heater and your air handler. And one thing that is really nice is attic access. So you will have storage space up in your attic as well here on this property. Now I'm going to take you and show you the master bedroom and master bathroom. This really is a true split floor plan. So the master's located on this side of the house. It's a very nice space. The TV is on the wall, so we can always ask if that can be included in the purchase if that's something that you're interested in. And as we come into the master bathroom, you're going to see that there are split vanities, a large soaker tub, and then you're going to have a really nice sized walk-in closet. Just to give you an idea, comes back pretty far, and I cannot touch, so it's a pretty good sized closet here. You're also going to find a really nice stand-up shower. And then as we move along, you're going to find your water closet here. And another feature that they've done when they constructed this home, and I think it's so smart, is you are going to have access to your backyard here. So if you ever wanted to build a pool, then you could do that and use this entrance for the bathroom so people aren't trucking water in and out of your home. We've got a nice sized backyard out here. It is fenced. And then you're also going to have your back covered lanai. And this will give you extra added space if you wanted to do another paver deck or attach that to your pool area. So this is a really nice space to be able to come out and enjoy. Now as we come in, I'm going to show you the other side of the house, which has both of the other guest rooms as well as the guest bathroom. So here in the middle, you're going to find the guest bathroom. And all all of the rooms here also have these really tall doors that I think is just such a nice feature in a home. It just makes it feel so much bigger. Thank you so much for coming along with us today as we do our walkthrough tour. Of course, if you have any questions about this home or any other homes in the Port Orange area, feel free to visit us on our website at www.homesofdaytonabeach.com.